Alright friends, go ahead and get out your notebook and a pencil, and we're going to talk about our new spelling words for this week. So start with the date on the top. Today is September 21st, 2020. Notice that the date, I set it as an ordinal number, September 21st, 2020. And let's look at our spelling words for this week. We have 6. Let's go ahead and copy them down. So write in your notebook 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's look at number 1 is s-at. I hear 3 sounds. Number 2, d-i-g. I hear 3 sounds. Number 3, f-a-s-t. That's 4 sounds, so I want to show you how I'm writing. I know that I hear 4 sounds. I know that I hear 4 sounds when I'm trying to spell fast. So I hear f is my first sound. So then I'm going to go to my second sound. A. A is an A. As. After the A. As. As. Now I'm going to check, make sure I have all my sounds. Ast. Fast. Number 4 is s. N. A. P. Snap. 4 sounds. Snap. 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 Like snap your fingers. Number 5 is tick. T-I-k. 3 sounds. T-I-k. K is just 1 sound, but it's 2 letters, the C and the K. 3 sounds. T-I-k. But when I hear k, I know it's C-K. Sometimes it's C, sometimes it's K, sometimes it's C-K. In the word tick, it's C-K. And the last word is win. W. W-I. W-I. I know I is the short I. W-I. Win. So here are our spelling words. We have our beginning sounds, our middle sounds, and our end sounds. All words have a beginning sound and an end sound, and then they have a middle sound. Sometimes they have a lot of middle sounds. So we are going to talk about some of our beginning sounds are what we call consonants. So in the alphabet, you don't have to write this down, but we have consonants and we have vowels. So all of our beginning sounds here are what we call consonants. And all of our end sounds are what we call consonants. S is a consonant, T is a consonant, but A is a vowel. Vowels are special letters and they're called vowels because they make 2 sounds. A can make 2 sounds. We call the sounds the short A and the long A. You don't have to write this down. Short A says ah. Long A says A. So when I see sat, I hear s-ah. Is ah short or long? Short. Short A says ah. I is the same. We have a short I and a long I. Short I says I, like in d, I, g, I. Long I says I. So this week our words have the short A and the short I. So now I want you to draw a chart. Go ahead and draw a line and split your chart in half. On this side, I want you to write the words that have the short A sound, and on this side, I want you to write the words that have the short I sound. So let's go over our sounds. Short A says ah. Short I says I. So looking at sat, do you hear the short A sound or the short I sound in the word sat? Short A, good, I hear it right here. It's in the middle sound. S-at. So I hear the short A in sat. Go ahead and take the rest of your words and put them in the categories. If you hear short A, it goes in A. If you hear short I, it goes in I. Go ahead, pause the video if you need to watch it again.